big goat and baby goat. And an old goat. Like me, an old goat. And don't forget to say hi to the llama. Speaking of llamas, how about we see some of the lambs from Ontario?
Yeah, they're over there.
They look like the goat herd puppets from The Sound of Music.
Mommy doesn't like them. We tried this earlier.
If you've ever wondered if beef farmers use the whole cow, they certainly do. Simmental cattle originate from Switzerland.